3.5, we're looking at active transport. So last section it was talking about passive transport, now active transport. Active transport requires, as you see in this picture here, energy for that to happen. So passive went downhill, active is going to go uphill. It's a lot easier to fall down a hill than fall up a hill. So active transport requires energy input from the cell and enables the cell to move a substance against the concentration gradient. So like I said, it's going to go opposite direction. It's going to go uphill rather than downhill. So passive transport required no energy from the cell. Active transport is going to be powered by chemical energy that is ATP in order to get things into and out of the cell. So active transport occurs through transport protein pumps, and cells use active transport to help maintain homeostasis. So when it needs to move things around that normally don't want to move, it will be able to do it through active transport. Cells can also import and export large materials or large amounts of material in vesicles during the process of endocytosis and exocytosis. Cells use energy to transport material in these vesicles. So endocytosis is the process of a cell taking in material. So you just saw it happen over there. It's going to pull it in, and then once it gets in, that cell membrane is going to break apart, and the cell would be able to break down those things. So that is endocytosis. Phagocytosis is similar to endocytosis. It's just a type of it. It's going to go out and basically grab the material that it needs and do the same process. So exocytosis, if you look at the picture over to the right when it was doing it, it is going to be where it's the opposite. It's going to take things from inside. It's going to have a little bubble around it, that vesicle, and it's going to go up to the surface of the cell membrane and join and dump out the material that it had in it. So it would be a way of getting rid of the large amount of material. All of these ways are going to require energy for the cell to be able to do those things. So that is the end of the notes for section 5 and for chapter 3.